Welcome. This video will provide an overview of the snapshot reports generated in the LEA Data Drill Down Center. These reports help to dig deeper into your status on the California State Performance Plan indicators. Now that you've uploaded your data files and created a snapshot report, let's take a look at how to interpret what you're seeing. In this example, we're looking at a least restrictive environment report for our sample district, System Improvement Unified District. On the first page, you will see the LEA name, report type, and report name in the top banner. On the left of the page is a list of tabs. You'll see these tabs in each report. Each of the snapshot reports include 4 criteria: disability, race and ethnicity, grade level, and gender. Click on these to navigate to additional sections of the report. All right. Now on to the report. Just below the banner, you'll notice a comparison of the percentages of enrolled students in California receiving special education services and our sample district. Notice they have a higher percentage of students receiving special education services than the state of California. Many reports include a bar chart like this, which compares one population to another and compares populations to a target. In this example, the California target is being compared to the district. There is also some language to help you understand whether the goal is to be higher or lower than the state target. Here, we see that our sample district has met the California targets for least restrictive environment for all 3 components. If you hover over the bar, you will also see the percentages that are represented in that category. Let's click on the next tab to explore disability type in the least restrictive environment for System Improvement Unified. Here we see a graph referred to as the heat map. As the blue color gets darker, this indicates a higher percentage of students. This chart shows a visual summary of information by communicating the relationship between disability and percentage of time educated in the least restrictive environment. So in this example, 56% of the students identified as having a specific learning disability, also referred to as SLD, are in the regular classroom more than 80% of the time. 35% are in the regular classroom between 40 and 79% of the time. And 8% are in the regular classroom less than 40% of the time. No student in this group are in a separate school. Let's click on grade level now and look at a third type of chart, a risk ratio chart. Most reports will also include a risk ratio graph. This graph tells us the likelihood of a student being placed in the least restrictive environment by grade. The dot shows us the risk ratio value for each group. If a certain group's risk is no greater than or less than others, the risk ratio is 1. A risk ratio higher than 1 means students from that group are more likely to be in that environment, and lower than 1 means that they are less likely to be in that environment than students from other groups. In this example, 12th grade students have a risk ratio of almost 3, which means these students are almost 3 times more likely than students in other grades to be placed in a separate school. Risk ratio graphs help to recognize disproportionate representation based on race, ethnicity, gender, grade level, and more. The reports also include sentence frames and guiding questions to support your team in describing, analyzing, and building a shared understanding of data. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. For more information on this tool and other data tools in the Improvement Data Center, click the Resources and Support button. We are here to support you and your LEA. Contact us at info@systemsimprovement.org. Thank you for letting us be a part of your data journey.